Fear is spreading across Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo after authorities confirmed an Ebola case in the city of Goma. Rwanda has now temporarily closed its main border crossing with the city, one of the busiest in the region, as officials try to prevent possible cross-border transmission. For many residents here, the outbreak is reviving memories of previous Ebola epidemics that killed thousands in Eastern Congo.
We're worried about this Ebola outbreak because we have very bad memories of what happened in the past with Ebola. It may be worse if nothing is done. We hope authorities will take strong measures against this outbreak.
The current outbreak began in Ituri province, where health workers are struggling to contain infection around Bunia and Rwanda. Medical teams have increased surveillance and protective measures, but concerns remain high among residents.
We've been hearing about deaths around here for weeks now, and we don't see much in terms of medical treatment. If the spread continues the way it is, we are worried that Uganda could close the border, and that would make life even harder for communities here.
Health officials say the constant movement of people between Ituri, North Kivu and neighboring countries increases the risk of the outbreak spreading. Authorities had initially feared the suspected case in the capital Kinshasa could signal broader transmission, although medical officials later declared that test negative. In Goma, under control of fighters from the M23 group and already isolated by months of conflict and the closure of its main airport, the outbreak presents another major challenge.
Dès que le cas de Ebola a été déclaré à Bunia,
as soon as the outbreak was declared in Bunia town, we quickly put in place a preventative measure to deal with potential cases. And today we have confirmed one. We have activated all different contingency plans to protect our population under our control.
But uncertainty remains over how an effective response can be maintained in a conflict zone where negotiations over aid corridors remain unresolved. Here in Goma, concerns are rising after an Ebola case was confirmed. Rwanda has closed its border crossing and people are worried the outbreak could further strain a region already affected by conflict and humanitarian challenges. Health officials say surveillance, contact tracing and screening operations are being reinforced across affected areas as efforts continue to stop the outbreak from spreading further across the region. Allen Waikani, Al Jazeera, Goma, DRC.